We've been an advocate and supporter of the anti-racism and anti-bias training for our educators in the schools, and it's essential that ongoing anti-racism, anti-bias training is mandatory for all staff in our municipal organizations.
If you tell a child, you're doing this bad, you're doing this bad, you're doing this bad, and you don't invite them to the table, they believe it. So my community believes that they don't belong in this setting.
A teacher told a black student to go pick cotton. A dean routinely calls black boys thugs and says, "You look like a criminal." Coaches call black athletes monkeys and use the N-word.
Because quite honest with you, I've lost trust in some of the adults in this room, and I really don't want to keep having that same problem, because you guys make the rules. You guys are on the board, and you guys are the only ones who are able to make the actual change. And all I ask is that you have the change in our favor, because you can either be for us and against us.
We care about your actions, not about your words. I need you to get informed. I need you to get more in depth. I need you to tell us what you're going to do.
Stories. These experiences each matter, and they need to be woven into the history and fabric of our city, and told to our children and preserved in our museums, parks, and libraries, just like the stories of the mill girls and the immigrant worker.
For some, the word racism feels personal. Quoting a friend, "This isn't about all of us as individuals and the roles we hold now. It's about centuries of laws, policies, practices, some subtle in their bias, and some blatantly discriminatory."
No disrespect to what your statement was on the Lowell Sun, but I want you to know that even though it may not happen to some of you at the table and that Lowell is a safe city, it is happening to people across the communities and across the neighborhoods.
What you've heard all night is racism is a public health crisis. Declare it as that. This isn't an opinion. This is a fact.